I remember
unusual.
Kerry Packer ringing me up and saying, "Son, how come we're going backwards for this quarter?"
Yeah.
And I had to go off and explain it to him, and it wasn't a pleasant conversation. I'll never forget the conversation for the rest of my life. But and you're right, there was a downturn. There was a downturn in that period, and because I remember in the beginning of 2001, beginning of that year, the RBA dropped rates in the February meeting. I remember thinking the money markets were telling us that they were going to do in those days. It was rare that the RBA did not do what the money market was saying, and we actually dropped our rate before the RBA meeting, just
Yeah.
being a bit cheeky. And Kerry said to me, he said, "Son, if you get this wrong, you'll be paying me the money that we lose for dropping our rates." It was only on new loans, but for dropping
Yeah.
our rates ahead of the RBA. And I remember I was shitting myself for about 2 weeks. It was actually
Yeah.
1.5 weeks. We called it.
Oh,
I don't know.
wow.
We're so lucky, thank God. But today I would never do something like that because it's the unpredictability of our RBA, like what we were talking
Yeah.
about earlier on. It's sort of topsy turvy at the moment, and I'd be too frightened to do anything at the moment because and uncertainty and unpredictability is a problem in economies.
Oh, it's a big problem.
Like everybody finds it
Yeah.
difficult. So if you look forward as the bank, as the chief economist of the AMP Bank, AMP Group, but what do you think for the next 12 months in terms of the official rate? Where do you think we're going to land? I know it's a
Well,
long way out, but
I think we've still got several more cuts. So one in November. The Reserve Bank have said that they want to ease in a cautious and measured way. So that
yeah,
probably means every quarter. So one in November, another one in February, and probably another one in May. So that will take the cash rate, currently 3.6, down to 2.85%.